this idea of trust and governance. And I want to touch on the word governance first. Governance is a very interesting word because oftentimes it creates almost a visceral reaction in people. It's thought of as governing or controlling or difficult, or it slows you down. And in most cases, maybe from even experience of implementing applications, maybe around master data management or other things, that was the outcome. It was difficult. It slowed things down. It didn't seem that you could get beyond the fact that implementing governance was hurting you more than it was helping you. And in reality, technologies and advancements, even in the knowledge of how to go and approach a governance problem, have matured. And today, if implemented effectively, governance does not restrict the business. It actually accelerates business progress. And I wish that there was another word that we used other than governance. Funny story, we were meeting with one of the key Gartner analysts that we work with frequently while in London. And he said, hey, if I could call governance chocolate ice cream, everyone would buy it. But the reality is we have to develop our own belief system around governance helping the business and get behind what it takes to make that happen. So how do you make governance an accelerant? And the first part is to understand that there are a range of new technologies that are out there that can be leveraged for the purposes of governance. It's no longer just about master data management around your customer master, your vendor master, your material master, because those are just key, yes, critical data objects on their own, but they don't have any relationship on their own. So I may have a perfect material master, but I have processes that are breaking downstream around how that master data is used in my manufacturing process. So understanding the linkage between data, between systems, between rules, policies that will be used to govern, and how those things are related is really the key. And one of the fuel items that makes that possible is metadata. Metadata is the data about data. It's the piece that helps us understand what lives within the applications at the enterprise level, but also how those applications and the data within are related to rules and are related to policies, and again are tied back to that business outcome driven strategy. So metadata management as a practice, as a profession, is really evolving as technology is evolving and as companies are maturing in their view that governance is not a restrictor on the business, but is actually something that will accelerate business change and, to my first point, drive a real valuable business outcome.
Synity. Infinite potential unlocked.